Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. Now I'm going to show you how to save your file for social media. Okay, now here's the problem. Most often when we finish designing our artwork, okay, and then we save it, it becomes high quality, right? But immediately you post it on WhatsApp, you post it on Facebook, you post it on Instagram, you post it on any of the social media platforms. What happens is that it begins to lose quality, and then we realize that it's not that crisp and that high resolution as we wanted it to be. Okay, it's because social media in itself kind of compressed the artwork for us. Okay, so but I'm going to show you today the right way to save your file for social media handles. Okay, and so without further delay, let's step into Photoshop. Now you can see I have designed various artworks in the course of the year 2024. Okay, I've grouped them into months as well. Okay, and I just want to show you how when I finish saving them, how sometimes I kind of export it for for social media platforms. Okay, so without further delay, let me just open any of them for you. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to open this one. Okay, so now normally I'll go to save, then I'll go to save as, and then I set it to any of the files, PNG, JPEG, all those stuff. Okay, but I found out a better way. Okay, so what I want you to do is to hold your keys Control Alt Shift together and then press S as well. Control Alt Shift together and press Alt as well. Now, if you do not know how to do that, I'm going to still show you a better way to get that one done. Okay, and so it's simple. I want you to go to File, then I want you to go to Export, then I want you to go to Export for Web Legacy. You can see the shortcut Alt Shift Control S, Export for Web Legacy, because you want to paste it online, so it's going to be web. Now it's going to optimize and it's going to load, and then you can look at the quality. Okay, the quality of the artwork that you're about to post on Pinterest or Facebook or Instagram. This is how it looks like. Really, really high quality stuff, guys. Now when you are done, you have many options over here. You can see all the options. Okay, those are the presets. Now what I want you to do is, normally I want you to go here, scroll here, and go and look for PNG T24. Okay, so when you click here, you kind of have these options as well. Okay, but normally I go for PNG 24, and then also I like to click on transparency, and then I leave all these stuff the same way. Then I also come here, I select monitor color. Okay, this is not really that important. And then this is the size that I use. Okay, so it's displaying the size over here. Also a quick thing, you also want to click on sRGB. You have to click on it as well. Okay, now you can see I am using it on 100%. Okay, that is it. You can use it on 100%. And then here we have bicubic, we have linear, we have bicubic sharpener. I like to leave it at just bicubic. Okay, so once this is done, you can see the file size over here is what? 17 megabyte. 17 megabyte. 17 megabyte. Now if it's too big for you and you like to reduce it, you can go here and reduce it to what? 50. Once you click on 50 and just click anywhere, maybe click on the space over here or something like that, you can see it reduces a little bit. Now when you go back to the size over here, you realize it is what? 4.2 megabyte. Instead of the 13, it now goes to 4 megabytes. So you can reduce it until you get to the point that you really need, and then you use it for your artwork. Okay, but I want to keep it all the way to 100% because I want it rich, I want it high quality, and then that is it. So I'll click maybe anywhere, it loads back to what? 70 megabyte. Now I can click on save, and when I save it, guys, it is going to save as PNG. PNG. Okay, PNG. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment on this video. I love you guys. Peace out.